That's that BBL right there. That's what Dave said. Dave said, Bush, you getting a BBL? What's poppin', motherfuckers? Woo! Welcome back to the Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. And today, it's going down. Just like the title says, we're chopping up a Camaro, or he's chopping up a Camaro. Zen, AKA the 6'9 Camaro, we're at Mayne Designs, and he's doing a mother-sucking mini tub on the 6'9 Camaro, AKA is getting a BBL or BBW. So I'm just narrating. He wants to work, and I respect the craft. So without further ado, you motherfuckers know what to do. Don't forget to hit the motherfucking buttons to like, to share, to subscribe. I'm about to watch him chop up my car. And here we go. We are at Mayne Designs. This is Mayne himself, the Mayne.
So,
what we got going, man?
Yeah, so in the trunk area, the tubs come around in this area and it's welded double wall in the fashion where it's up against the weld plate, and that's what the tubs weld to. And then the trunk lever here, the actual trunk hinge and all that mechanism is welded directly to the tub.
So does this act as like a reinforcement?
Yes. Okay. And as you can see right by your hand there, there's a brace. And let's come on to the other side.
Okay, word.
The brace is in place because when you cut the original tubs out, the trunk mechanism and all that is welded to it, and it's riding on nothing at the moment. Okay. And so this brace is in place. You have to temporarily weld this in place to keep everything in the original position so that your trunk closes perfectly when you're done.
Now see, a lot of people wouldn't know that. I know I wouldn't know that. I think you said it's in the instructions, but nobody read instructions.
Who needs instructions?
Who needs instructions?
But we got to do that because if you don't do that, your trunk latch is gonna be closed and all.
Oh, one more time, hit him.
Twist. You don't want to twist it. You don't want to twist
it. You don't want that lean with it. No, this is
so
dope.
if you come back in here on this underside here, let's see. On this underside here is the surface that the new tub is gonna weld to. Okay. So that has to be prepped. Okay. This is the weld plate, and the new tub goes up against that plate, which is why you see double welds on the other side.
Okay, let me try to get over there so we can see. All right. Oh, this is what you're talking about. Okay, so this plate here?
This is the plate here.
This is the plate.
And then this is the section that you actually have to notch out in the frame to make that shape for your wider tire goes in there.
Oh, okay. Because before this was, how far out did this metal come before?
About like this. So you're cutting a good inch and a half.
Okay. See that one more time? So I can get about.
Comes to about like this.
Holy smokes.
So you're cutting a good inch and a half semicircle out of that area to allow the big tire to go in.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Holy smokes. Who knew an inch? Who knew an inch could be so detrimental? Just gonna leave that there. Now this side is already done, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Let me raise it up so we can look at it, take a better look.
That's that BBL right there. That's what Dave said. Dave said, Bush, you getting a BBL or a BBC? I hope they don't block me for saying that on camera. It looks good. This mess looks, oh man, fantastic. Okay, so y'all see what's going on. The man is a freaking mastermind at his craft. Yes, he had to cut a stupid amount of metal out of Zen, AKA the 6'9 Camaro, to make room for the mini tubs. I'm not telling you why we mini tubbing the Camaro. You can use your imagination, but just know something's gonna happen. If you use your imagination, you might be able to guess. I'm not telling, but I'm gonna let you guess it. Look at this. Look at the insides. Oh boy. Oh boy, look, oh man, look. You can see right into my past. I can see into 69 through that hole that's in the back seat right now. Oh, if this back seat could tell stories. And this is the old tub. This is the factory joint right here. That's what came out. So get you a nice little piece of that compared to the new one, which is right here. That's the new tub. So that's what he was talking about. That's the one that's going in, and that's the one that's going to allow for a larger something and something else. Ooh, yeah, that's sexy right there. So what he's doing right now, again, I'm narrating, he's using his caulking gun, seam sealer. So he just finished doing the passenger side mini tub. So now he's just doing some seam seal. And then what's the purpose? What's the reason for seam sealing after you've done all this magnificent welding?
Keep moisture out of the seams so it doesn't rust.
Oh wow, and you went all or corrode.
Sorry, I was trying to get that bead right and nice.
No, you good. And then I was asking you earlier, because you know with these old cars, man, sometimes you start cutting and you see rust and like gremlins and things that you would have never thought was there.
Man, I didn't see any rust on this car. This was so rust-free. This was a rust-free car. It's rare to actually see them this clean. This is the original frame in here.
That's crazy.
Barely gave it a whisk.
A whisk.
And it came right clean. Gave me just.
That's crazy.
Get these dimes.
Get
these ones right here.
Get the dimes. Yeah, we gotta get them dimes, man. Look at that, man. Hey, baby, can I get a dime in your time? That look good. That looks freaking good, man. So yeah, this is Operation Mini Tub. It's been coming for a long time, all right? Again, if you can guess why it's happening, then you know. If you don't, leave it down in the comment section. So far, you guys see what's going on at Mayne Designs. He's getting ready to go back into surgery on Zen, AKA the 6'9" Camaro. So we're gonna let him work. I'm gonna set up the shot so that you guys can just get straight film, straight raw of him placing the mini tub in for the driver's side, doing some welding and getting all that goodness, all that scrumptiousness. I don't even know if scrumptiousness is a word, but I'm using it. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm juiced. Marcus is juiced, and he's also working. I'm the one yapping and talking, but it's okay. So to not disrupt his flow, I'm gonna go ahead and leave. I'm gonna vacate the building. I'm gonna evict myself. That's what I'm gonna do. And let the man work. And then when I come back, we'll show the final product of the driver's side of the mini tub welded in and ready to go. And whew, man, if y'all want, oh shoot, am I about to see some sparks? Don't threaten me with, don't forget the gloves. You can't forget your gloves, because that's safety. You don't want to go raw. We are back straight to it. Marcus just finished giving the Camaro a BBL. Let me show you. AKA The mini tub is done. I'll show you guys where we at. As soon as I get my key, let me pow. All right, so you can see before the inner fender well stopped about right here. Now they're here. Look at that BBL. I'm sorry. Everything, it came out great. Here, we'll do a shot on this side too, so you guys can see. He even undercoated everything and the stock seats. Hey, how'd you get the stock seat to fit without?
I modified it.
You modified it on the backside. Okay, so normally, for those of you who don't know, when you get a mini tub, the back seat got to go down a little bit. He massaged the back. That's his special sauce recipe. I'm not going to ask him, but just know if you do bring your car to get a mini tub, you will have to modify the back seat or reupholstery the back seat so that it'll fit. In my case, he was able to do his magicry so that I didn't have to get it reupholstered, but he did do some fabrications to make it work. I made it back to the Zen Den, and check out the other side, the finished product. That is the mini tub. If you look right there, that's where he notched the frame and reinforced it for the mini tub. What I'll do is I'll actually show, I'll remove the wheels and give you guys like a really good in-depth view of everything in a later video. But I'm stoked, baby. We moving in a direction. I can't tell you what that direction is, but we moving in it. Like always, I appreciate y'all for watching the episode. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment at the bottom. Let's keep it rolling, baby. Until the next time I see you, when I see you. Bye-ow!